Yes, my peeps, welcome back, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, so today I'm in the kitchen, guys, and I'm gonna cook something simple, quick, and fast, you know what I say? Yeah, man, so I'm gonna cook some spam, yeah? Yeah, man, and I'm gonna saute it with some garden seasoning and vegetable, lots of garlic, and I'm cooking it with ackee and some white rices. May I say? Yeah, man. So it's the first I'm cooking this, guys. You know, I just, sometimes the appetite feel for something special, something simple as well. So, yeah, man. So that's what I'm gonna be cooking. So here I have my garden season and my vegetables all prepared, washed clean, and I cut them up. I have some garlic on the side. So that's what I'm gonna do. Alright? So stay tuned, catch it pre, and watch what I go on. Alright guys, so here I have my ackee, and I'm using the tin ackee because you don't know America with the see pre. Yeah man, if I did in Jamaica, I would just go outside and just pick some fresh ackee off the tree, you know what I mean? Yeah man, but no doubt, no problem. Yeah man, make it taste delicious as well. So make sure you get off all the water. Get off all the water off the ackee. Alright. I'm gonna pour it in a container. Alright. Yeah man. So stay tuned, catch it pre, and watch what I go on. That is it. Alright guys, so here I have my oil in my frying pan well hot. So the first I'm gonna add some thyme. Some fresh thyme. Get that flavor in the oil. And then second I add my garlic. Yeah. Good. Alright guys, and then I'm gonna add my onion, scallion, and my hot pepper, my chili pepper. And I'm gonna let this saute, guys. Right, and then I'm gonna add a little all-purpose seasoning to help combine my garden seasoning and my powder seasoning. Oh, it smells so good, guys, trust me. Alright. Yeah man, so in the meantime I have my vegetable and garden seasoning sauteing down properly. I'm gonna prepare my spam, alright? So first, I take it out of the tin, put it on the cutting board, and I'm gonna slice it, alright? So you can slice it however you want to slice it, in whatever style, shape, or sizes, alright? So this is how I like to cut it. In rectangle, small rectangle cubes. So when I'm eating it, feel like I'm eating meat, you know what I say? Yeah man, that is it. Alright, so I have it all cut up, and then I'm gonna sprinkle a little black pepper on it, guys. And then I'm gonna add it to my, okay guys, so now I'm gonna add it to my pot with all these amazing garden seasoning and vegetables, alright? Let this saute for a little bit, and then I'm gonna add the ackee. Alright, give you a close look, guys, so you can see what's going on. Smells so good, guys. Right, and then I'm gonna cover it for a little bit. Come on over here. I have my white rice steaming down properly, you know what I mean? Yeah man, so just stay tuned guys, catch it pre and watch what go on. That is it. And don't forget guys, just keep supporting my YouTube channel, Flex Jamaican Cuisine. Continue to like, share, subscribe, comment to the channel. That is it. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna add my ackee. Alright. Yeah man, give it a little stir, mix it in properly, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. Now add some more black pepper. Yeah man, that is it guys, just stay tuned, catch it free and watch what I go on. That is it. Okay guys, it's coming along. Yeah man, as you can see guys. Yeah man. Yeah man, that's my ackee and spam. Yeah man. Can smell the flavor guys. It's gonna be delicious. And here I have my white rice guys. Yeah man, well shelly and nice, you know what I mean? Yeah man, something quick and fast guys, and it's gonna be delicious. You know what I say? Yeah man. That is it. And this is ready. So I'm gonna turn off the stove. Yeah man. And I'm gonna dish me a little plate and I'm gonna dig in it. Alright. So thank you guys for supporting my channel. Really appreciate you all. Flex I say one love and much respect. Thank you all for sharing. Just continue to support the channel. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Alright, Flex Jamaican Cuisine. Alright, big up on yourself. Catch it pre and watch what I go on. There you have it guys. Yeah man, that's my ackee and spam with white rice. Alright, so I'm gonna dig in this. That is it. Yeah man, I have to bless up the food, you know, and give thanks to the Most High himself. That is it. Wow. Yeah man. Better than I expect. This is delicious guys, and first time I'm cooking this. It is really delicious. I'm gonna have to do it again. Yeah man, the flavor is off the chain. Yeah man, really proper, you know.